Your first step to improving your golf swing: set yourself achievable goals. Goals are a crucial part of improving your game. Obviously, without a clear idea of what you actually want to achieve, it is very unlikely that you will ever achieve it. The more detailed your target is, the more real it becomes and the more your brain will focus its efforts to achieve it. In order for your goals to be effective, they must fulfill the following criteria. Specific. The more specific a goal, the better. Let's make it simple. Your goal is to have a handicap of 9. 4 within 10 weeks of committing to your game improvement plan. Measurable. All goals must be measurable. In your case, your scores in both competitions and social rounds of golf will enable you to chart your level of performance and progress on a regular basis. Achievable. This is the most difficult element of the goal-setting process. A goal that is too easy to achieve is worthless. Likewise, setting yourself a goal of achieving a +1 handicap in 10 weeks if you are currently a 28 handicapper is also unrealistic. Set a target that will stretch your capabilities but which is still achievable. Realistic. For any goal to be achievable, it must also be realistic. For a beginner to reach single figures in just 10 weeks is asking a lot, but a mid to high handicap golfer should be capable of lowering his or her score by 7 or 8 shots within this period of time. Time. For a goal to be effective, it must have a time limit. Once again, this is simple to monitor. Why not set your target to achieve your new, lower handicap within a 10-week time frame? You can remember these goals by thinking of them as SMART. Specific, measurable, achievable, realistic. Time. Adopt a positive approach to your golf. Fairway bunkers, intimidating water carries, fast greens and narrow fairways are all challenges that have to be faced and overcome at some time, but on the golf course you are usually your own greatest adversary. How many times have you talked yourself into topping drives, fluffing chip shots and missing short putts? How many times have you stood on the first tee thinking about everything that can possibly go wrong rather than what could go right? The first step in your journey towards single-figure golf is to stop that negative self-talk straight away. It serves no purpose other than to destroy your confidence. Think of yourself as a single-figure golfer, now. After you have set your goals for the next few months and beyond, what is the first step that you need to make on your route to becoming a single-figure golfer? Believe in your own technique, know your own game and take a positive attitude onto the golf course every time you play. There is a phrase in psychology, as you think, you become. Start thinking of yourself as a single-figure player. Imagine what it would be like, how you would think on the course, how you would approach the game and how confident you would be if you were a single-figure player. Avoiding costly mental errors. Everybody makes mistakes in golf. While physical mistakes are acceptable and to be expected in golf, mental mistakes through poor decision-making are totally avoidable. You can stop the rut right now and make huge improvements to this crucial part of the game almost instantly. Cast your mind back to your last round of golf and add up all the wasted shots you made. It is very likely that while a poor shot is often to blame for making a bogey or worse, the cause for such a shot was a mental error. Think constructively about every single shot you play. Plan ahead and lay up all the different scenarios in your mind before you commit to a shot. Constantly ask yourself, is this the best way to play this shot? If after all your planning and preparation you still hit a bad shot, that is golf, but at least you have done all you possibly can to prepare professionally. Div class equals Get more info from this web link. Free. Happy golfing. Copy and enjoy. http://www.golfswingsecretsrevealed.com/index3cb.htm ? MPPG50